Alright, so today we have, as you can tell, a package, and like the title gives it away, so there's no point in being mysterious. This is the Revenge unboxing for the June 16th drop, I believe it was. Their last drop took like a month for some people to get their stuff, whereas this one, people were getting in like 2 to 3 days, which is crazy improvement. So shout out to Garrett and the whole team there for stepping up and improving their shipping. So I got this package Thursday, and the reason this video isn't up Thursday and it's going up on Saturday is because of my new apartment. Your stuff gets left inside the mail room, which is inside the office, which is only open from 8 until 5, and I get back from work after that, and there's no way for me to get in there. And then I emailed the office and I was like, yo, since I get back like minutes after you guys close, literally, like I've seen them like walking away from the building as I was like pulling up to park my car. Anyway, I emailed one of them and I was like, yo, can you leave this package outside? Because, you know, it's important for me, like for reselling I have to do, and for unboxings, like it's important to get up in a timely manner. And I emailed her, I was like, yo, leave this package outside for me, please. I'll be back a couple minutes after you guys close, so it doesn't matter if it's sitting outside. She's like, okay. Get home from work yesterday, no package, office is locked. So this morning, woke up early, went down to the office, grabbed my package, and here we finally are. But yeah, we'll hop into the unboxing and then we'll come back afterwards and I'll give you guys like a little review, do some B-roll and all that good stuff. Alright, so first off, we'll start with the Revenge stickers. We got 3 of them, all like in the box logo format. And actually, I was kind of excited to get a 666 design. They had like a $100 bill that was converted, or Steven made like an awesome graphic for it. And a while back, he said that they're gonna make stickers for it, but I guess these are the ones that they made. I'm not sure if they're still making that design into stickers or not, but I think it would translate really well onto a sticker. So I was kind of looking forward to getting those, but I saw the orders weren't really coming with them, so I figured I'm not gonna get one. But yeah, so move on to the coffee mug. I was watching Garrett's live stream and they're talking about like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get the coffee mug broken or whatever. And he was talking about how they like double packaged it, like they put it in a box within a box. I'm not sure if there's gonna be another box inside here, but obviously looking at the bubble wrap, they did not want this thing to break. So let's get inside it. Do the little eye dubs. Money shot. Hey, all right, and it's wrapped again. Alright, so I'm very happy that that didn't come broken, obviously. So let's get this. Hey, there we go. Revenge. Got some scuzz on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that down there. Yeah, and it looks like there's some paint on the handle. Got the made in China. So yeah, I think this was like 18 bucks. A little defect in the ceramic right there also. But yeah, this is, you know, like this definitely wasn't worth 18 bucks. I kind of just wanted it for like a cool prop for my shelf back there. I already got some coffee cups, and you know, I don't really want to run this through my dishwasher and like lose the graphic off it. So this will probably just be like a little decoration piece. Kind of lame to have defects on it for like how expensive it is just being a coffee mug. I also was kind of hoping that it would have branded graphics on both sides of the mug, but you just got the one, so there's also that. Garrett got new packaging, and you can see that before, where you get just like a bag that wraps over on itself and it's got some adhesive to lock down on the other side. Some people were commenting on Reddit, they're saying like, oh, there goes like being able to tell if it's dead stock or not, because if the bag was previously open, the adhesive would be messed up so you could tell. So that does kind of jeopardize that situation, but it's also kind of cool because you get this Revenge Ziploc, which is pretty cool. But yeah, let's get into this. You can kind of see they got like the ribbed sides, which is kind of cool. Add that elasticity to it. If you're a big boy, it can stretch out for you. Actually, this embroidery is really nice. I was really hoping it wouldn't have any defects like threads hanging off, and just looking at it quick, it doesn't really look like it has any defects or threads hanging off. There's a white thread up here at the top of the end. At least there's not like a thread hanging off or anything. And overall, this like feels like really nice quality. Doesn't feel like a super thick sweater in the like main portions, but obviously this ribbed material is a little bit thicker. You got the Revenge tag up here. Oh, what's that? I didn't see you there. So yeah, I've actually read on Reddit that these sweatshirts have like a really big, a really large fit, very oversized. And it's actually even larger than I imagined it would be. I'm a pretty tall dude, I'm like 6'2", 6'3", and this is just a large. And usually the sleeves on stuff are like super short on me or like perfect length, you know. And this is like really long, but this is the fit I like. And then especially if it is oversized, you know, you're safe washing and drying it. You don't have to worry about shrinking or anything. More so just like the concerns there would be damaging the material. But yeah, as far as quality goes, it's really high quality. People might argue whether or not it's actually worth the $128 price tag. And I would definitely argue that this is not worth the $18 price tag, I think it was. Like 14, 18, somewhere in there. But yeah, it's a cool little piece to have. I'll put it up here somewhere. You'll see it in the future videos. But yeah, definitely happy with this. Maybe not so much the price tag, but if this is the embroidery that they're gonna be using, I'm definitely happy with that. It's a very thick embroidery. Very nice. The red color that they used on it is very cool. Like I said, if this is the embroidery that they're using, very excited to see that red flannel that comes out. That's about it for this video. Let me know if you guys copped anything from the drop, if you got stuff. How's the sizing on yours? Did your stuff come with any defects? Did you get a broken mug in the mail? But yeah, if you did like this video, leave a like, please. If you like this type of content, especially revenge, I've been trying to incorporate more into my videos. Definitely drop a subscribe. You don't have to hit the bell. I don't like hit the bell for anybody. But yeah, follow me on Instagram. It's a good way to keep track of the videos that are coming up. I post some fit pics on there, so you get some behind the scenes stuff also. And I've been trying to go live a little bit more and get some interaction with my audience, with my subscribers and whatnot. If you have any videos that you would like to see from me in the future, leave a comment of what it is down below. But other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.